CMX series electric wire rope hoists have long service life with modular casted chassis and direct-driven casted wheels, as well as provide extreme endurance with a direct-driven system. The hoists are adjustable with two chromium rods between 150 and 500 millimeters bottom flange width, and also suitable for any world standard beams such as flat, tapered, hybrid, or box beams. With smaller and compact design of CMX series, the hoists can reach more areas for better utilization of working area. CMX series electric wire rope hoists are equipped with 12-2, 3000 RPM pole-changing squirrel cage motors. Thus, with 1-to-6 speed ratio, it supports the operator to easily and accurately position at creep speed without sacrificing faster full speed. All cross-travel or longitudinal motions are double speed and inverter-controlled in standard. In addition to that, with preset acceleration-deceleration ramps, there is minimal wear on the cross-travel mechanism, thus extending the service life with smooth running. CMX Series Special Design GGG70 Graphite Cast Iron Rope Guide ensures the wire rope is tightly reeved to the drum, and its flexibility minimizes the breakage due to incorrect usage. CMX Series electric wire rope hoists are equipped with 200 kilogram force per millimeter square high tensile strength steel wire rope. In addition to its high tensile, it is also inexpensive to replace. CMX Series hoists have two level top and bottom hook travel limiters, which are easily adjustable to ensure trouble-free operation. In case of hook getting close to top or bottom limits, hoisting will get automatically stopped at the extreme limit set, thus ensuring far healthy and safe operation. CMX Series electric wire rope hoists are equipped with an overload limiter in standard. Electromechanical overload device can be easily adjusted with just an Allen wrench to ensure safe operation. With preset values, in case of lifting heavier loads than the nominal load, the lifting operation is stopped immediately to avoid damage to the machinery, system, and most importantly, your building. Electrical systems of CMX Series hoists are designed according to plug-remove principle. Electrical parts can be easily disassembled for maintenance, or another electrical module can be integrated easily. CMX Series electric wire rope hoists are equipped with PTC, Termic, phase safeguard, emergency systems, top and bottom limiters, and overload limiters. They are also compatible with ISO, FEM, and CE norms. Thus, they are very reliable and safely operational. In addition, its design lowers the maintenance requirement while reducing your maintenance costs. CMX Series electric wire rope hoists standard control voltage is 48 volts. In case of an installation problem of the push button, only 48 volts electricity is on the circuits that are close to the operator's hands. In an emergency, to cut the main power of the crane, operator can simply press the emergency stop button, which is located at the bottom of the push button. Also, in situations of power surges, CMX hoists will automatically cut the main power to avoid its systems from getting damaged. Lift up your standards with CMX Series.